Please sit down.
Thank you, sir.
You have done BSc Mathematics.
Yes, sir.
After that, you did not pursue studies. What happened?
After that, I directly into the civil service.
You started.
Yes, sir.
Where did you take your coaching from?
The coaching, first I did in a private coaching center, and after that,
Where?
sir, in Shankars. And then I shifted to all the civil service.
Where?
Sir, in BTS schools.
You have attended some quiz competitions in mathematics.
Yes, sir.
How did you fare? You won some prize?
Yes, sir. Second place.
Second prize, national level. Where was it in Delhi?
Sir, no, sir. It's a national competition, but it's conducted in Coimbatore, sir. All out from India and participate. And what would you say for participate?
Chess also.
Yes, sir.
We had of NSS, disaster management. You know, South Indian cooking. What items you prepare?
You do
Cooking items or means or what you prepare?
sir.
Cooking,
Yes, sir.
what you prepare?
Sir, sambar, very
Mathematics, what was the branch of interest in mathematics? You remember subjects?
yes, sir. I have great interest in trigonometry, sir. But either in college, more numbers, but in college, more theoretical in nature, mostly covered the Excel, which is a one.
NSS, do you think it's a useful thing?
Yes, sir.
How will it help?
Sir,
How will it help the people of the country?
sir, NSS is more about developing the student personalities through community partnership. And the students who came to NSS involved with communities, identify their problems, and engage them to finding solutions. So we do many campaigns. Just like we conducted a pilot survey.
How many villages did you visit?
Survey villages during the college days.
You were around 10 villages, took up some works through it.
The survey did a survey about the target usages in the village, and we compared it with the nearby control area. And we provide the inputs to the local administration.
You assisted the local administration in taking works.
Yes, sir.
Tirupur, what is Tirupur famous for or notorious for?
Sir, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Therefore, it's
Is it exporting?
yes, sir. Its annual turnover was last year 26,000 crores.
What are the adverse effects of all these industries?
So the one thing was environmental pollution, but currently the administration has taken steps to control the pollution. For example, zero liquid discharge mechanisms they are adopted in the dyeing units.
And all the units adopted it, the following?
So almost they follow it, sir, but there are some lacunas in implementation. Some dyeing units have shifted their units to nearby areas like Kaduri Road. And mostly we cannot find that there is an existence of dyeing units and all, but because they doing it in farms, so it's really hard to find out such things. But almost they did a lot of work, especially when it comes to implementing the zero liquid discharge mechanisms.
What was your options?
That's for sure.
Have you read in the paper, are you keeping a track of the current events?
Yes, sir.
Subliminally, what is your view about this?
Sir, my personal opinion is we need to allow women. Because God is nowhere telling that women should not enter. If God is telling that, then it goes to exclusive society. If it is an exclusive, then the God is no more God. The God should be inclusive. So we need to allow women.
See, there's another point of view. Because even sitting at home, one can pray to God.
So,
So you not necessarily have to go to a temple
yes, sir.
to pray, give obeisance to God. So is it really necessary But is it that some people want to become heroes by going to the temple, defying this rituals which were followed for so many years?
Yes, sir.
That particular deity, considering the nature of that deity, belief, is it really desirable that women having that particular go in that state be allowed? Even for example, Muslim women may not be able to go to this.
So if there are contradictions in that, we need to resolve it, sir. For example, in Sabalbana case, we are citing the menstruational period, so they cannot allow this one. But it's a natural process, and women have no choice. So citing the reason is not acceptable. But because India is a country where everyone has the right to equality.
Would you not like to leave it to the superior wisdom, the power of the judiciary? Supreme Court sees what this
Yes,
is.
sir. It's my personal opinion, sir, but Supreme Court whatever it deliver, because if they deliver the verdict based on facts and merits, so we need to accept that to sir, but it is my personal opinion, sir.
Can Supreme Court itself review its own verdict?
Yes, sir.
It can. But that has
I would look at it.
Jammu and Kashmir, what is your view?
Sir,
About the central government right taking over the administration,
sir, the mandate,
creating two union territories, diluting, taking away the special privileges or powers which were there for the local government, certain benefits for the protecting the interests of the Kashmiris.
So after our 70 years of independence, the terrorism is still going in Jammu and Kashmir. So we need to change our way to contain this thing.
personally central government, I feel personally central government has the right to do like scrapping Article 370, but the matter is in Supreme Court, sir. But I think it's a correct step to contain terrorism as well as provide some basic delivery systems to repressed communities present in that.
No, it was not really scrapping or abrogation of Article 370. Article 370 had provided some specials. So, under the same article, it will be it's not that Article 370 has been scrapped or abrogated. So,
Vivek, you seem to come from Tirupur, right? And you just spoke about the industry, which is a prominent industry. It's an export, which is being exported, right? Do you feel it is now facing stiff competition from elsewhere? The industry which your district is, your town specializes in, is it facing some stiff competition from around the world?
Yes,
From Bangladesh and Vietnam and Sri Lanka too, they are providing cheap labor in that, and also they have the emerging economic status. So they do more exports to European Union continents than our country, because our country is in the tag of developing nations. So Tripura is facing competition. Sir.
Okay, so let's say as an administrator, how do you think you can actually restore the export industry to its glory days
it's an export industry.
of your town
Yes,
to its former glory?
yes, sir. Sir, I don't have any ground experience in that.
But what I tell him is, I read through some books and found that if the strikes with like the pending European Union Free Trade Agreement was formed, the Tripura has potential to double its exports to the European Union, and also there is Brexit there. So Tripura has the opportunities. So we need a foreign policy shift in that. So Tripura can retain its goods if we take such kind of steps.
So are you aware of that even in the Australian Open, it was the jerseys were actually manufactured in Tirupur?
No, sir.
So you're a mathematician by training, by qualification.
Yes, sir.
So who's your favorite non-Indian mathematician?
So I don't have any such.
Okay. So how is mathematics useful to mankind?
So, mathematics is more and more about finding solutions to the problem. Similarly, to solve problems of the human, we need such kind of experience to how to tackle the problem. So that's the main thing provided by mathematics.
Is it not true of all the sciences, physics, chemistry, biology?
But maths is more and more involved with dealing with problems compared to other sciences.
So is there anything unique that maths has actually contributed to mankind? In your opinion, what has been the single unique thing about mathematics, which actually drew you also towards it? What drew you towards mathematics?
Sir, what drew me towards mathematics was its numbers, sir. I was actually good in numbers. I do mental calculations very fast. But after my 12th standard and during my college days, I came to know that the college studies was more and more about X, Y, Z and theoretical things. So I was a bit disappointed in that. But unique in mathematics is.
Okay, so I'll tell you a few numbers.
Yes, sir.
Just say this strikes a bell. 2,967, 2,226, 1,411. Does it ring a bell? 2,967. Okay. So it actually denotes the number of a particular species in the country. Can you guess it now? 2000. There are 2,967 dash an animal species in India.
So, tiger.
Okay, right. So what's been happening on the tiger conservation front? What are we doing differently?
Sir, we conserve tigers through demarcating protected areas, as well as continuously monitoring the illegal activities like poaching. We are also regularly doing surveys if there are decrease in number. We came to eye that there are some lacunas in that, so we take care of that. These are the things government usually doing. Sir. But specific reason we don't know.
What are the legal provisions available for saving the tigers?
Sir, Wildlife Protection Act 1972.
What are the provisions of the act? You can say.
Sir, it divides the species on 5 schedules. Sir. Schedule 1, Schedule 3, and Schedule 4. Gradually, the protection is decreasing in nature when it comes to Schedule 1 to Schedule 5. But specific provisions, I need to give a sense.
So you talked about the textile industry.
Yes, sir.
What are the main things of export of Indian, which India exports? What are the major items of export basket, Indian export basket?
So, petroleum and lubricants products we export more, sir. And as well as processed diamonds and gold jewelry. Other thing is agricultural products to the countries like West Asian nations, Iran.
So again, textile, leather.
Yes, sir.
So what is very unique about all these industries? If there is one common thread,
Sir,
why don't the Western countries do tanneries and leather textile industries anymore? Or don't you think the more polluting industries are rather outsourced to the developing and the emerging economies?
yes, sir. They are actually going on that way, as you said, sir. But we need to take some steps with the help of technological solutions to tackle that problems, as they put on with the zero liquidity mechanisms. So we need to cope up with that, sir.
So you're aware of are you aware of the Indian space program? So recently there was a disappointment on the space front.
This is regarding Chandrayaan.
Okay, what happened?
So the rover actually landed in correct manner, sir, as expected.
Has there been a successful attempt earlier?
So we launched Chandrayaan 1, sir,
Okay.
and it was successful mission.
What were the findings of it?
So lunar space have water molecules in it, and we found out that, sir.
Okay. So what is the major finding? Okay.
Just one question out of curiosity.
Okay.
Where does zero originate from?
So zero originates from India, sir.
Have you heard of the name of Aryabhatta?
Sir?
Aryabhatta.
Yes, sir.
What was he famous for?
Sir, he famous for many things, but he provided many theorems that zero is nothing, sir. To strengthen that zero is nothing, he provided many theorems by dividing zero with some numbers.
So tell me about election commission.
Sir,
How-
election commission.
How is it working currently? Are there any problems with the election commission?
So compared to the outer world, our election commission of India is doing a great job, because India is a vast country, different interests, different communities present there. So conducting an election is a tremendous task, and the election commission is doing great, sir. But in election commission, we need to do some reforms, like the chief election commissioner has more power than other election commissioners. There are reforms in it. We can also consider that also.
What do you think about the appointment of the chief election commissioners and the election commissioners? So these days, there have been many allegations that election commission is being biased. It is not neutral. What is your opinion? Why is it so?
Yes, sir, there are certain allegations that the election commission is biased towards some parties, some persons, but I don't feel it that in that way, sir. Because it provided results based on facts and merits. If there is none, we have judiciary in that, so we can resolve
Is there
it.
something wrong with the appointment of the chief election commissioners?
So I need to look into it, sir.
What about these bushfires? Are you aware of bushfires?
Yes, sir. It is happening in Australian continent. The forest fire is spread out through the bush vegetation. It actually called scrub vegetation, sir. It is uncontrollable in nature as of now, and there are many economic losses as well as by loss of biodiversity too. Around 50 million species were died.
So you were the head of the disaster management team.
Yes, sir.
So if you were in Australia, so how would you contain the bushfires?
Sir, there are methods to control forest fires, sir. For example, if there is some fire in one forest, we need to intentionally fire another forest so that the fire cannot spread to other forests. But actually, the ground level may be different. Ground level reality may be different in Australia, so that they were not able to control the bushfires, sir. So depends on the situation, sir.
So now what will you do for the rehabilitation and restoration of the bushfires?
As far as rehabilitation and reconstruction is concerned, especially to the bushfires, so I cannot connect it. Sir.
Okay. So tell me something about India and Pakistan relations.
Yes. Yes, sir. The last decade was a volatile phase for India and Pakistan relationship, especially when it comes to terrorism, Uri attack and all. Uri attack and peace. Balakot attack. So
does it have any relation with the India and Pakistan relations?
yes, sir. The main terrorists have come from the Pakistan. They used it as a platform to enter India, and it gradually affects our relationship with Pakistan too.
What is most favored nation?
Sir,
What is MFN status?
most of our nations is a tag provided by the WTO to countries to treat other nations equally. So when it provides economic concession to other countries, it should also provide the same kind of concession to other countries too when it comes to trades.
So what about India and Sri Lanka relations?
India and Sri Lanka relations are based on strategic as well as cultural context. So since ancient, we have relationship with Sri Lanka. Today, the strategic interests are more when it comes to Sri Lanka, especially the China string of pearl theory. So, relation is very, very important, and I think coming month the Prime Minister of President, I think, President of Sri Lanka also coming to India to discuss some issues with our President, Prime Minister.
What is Michelin star?
Sir,
Michelin star. You are a cook, right? You are interested in cooking.
yes, sir.
Michelin star. Are you aware of Michelin
No,
star?
sir.
So what is your signature dish?
Sir, it is sambar idli, sir.
Sambar.
Thanks.
Come Saktivel, you are from Tirupur.
Yes, sir.
But since your place of birth is Dindigul,
Yes, sir. My mother belongs to Dindigul.
you know about both the districts.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is GI tag? What is GI tag?
Yes, sir.
What are the products for which GI tag has been awarded? That are the products from the legal district.
GI tag is a tag provided by the Ministry of Commerce and Industry to brand product of a community, sir. It provides tag to the community level, sir. And from Dindigul, the ministry gives GI tag to Dindigul Locker, sir.
Next.
So from Dindigul.
Yes, yes. Dindigul. Okay, next. Yeah, you must be knowing something about Dindigul, isn't it? With reference to that district, tell me the difference between native species and invasive species
Yes, sir.
from that area, from that valley. Do few examples and explain it.
Sir, the native species are the one who belongs to here, but invasive species comes from the other areas. In Chola Forest, in Palani Hills, there are some invasive species spreading through the
Give
Chola.
some specific examples
Uh,
to your answer.
yes. Sir, water hyacinth is an invasive species, sir. Bat tail.
Hmm.
These are the invasive.
Don't you think of this colony Panjamagam? It is from that Sirumalai Valaipalam. Sirumalai Valaipalam is a native species. Other Valaipalam, what we get in the market is GM crab.
Yes, sir.
Sir, it has also got GI tag. There are so many things in the middle. But no. Next is, you are from Tirupur.
Yes, sir.
Tirupur is located on a particular river. Isn't that river?
Sir, Noyal River, sir. It is.
Any speciality about the Nayal river, sir? Explain it. It is most often coming in the news. It has gone to the court, the issue has gone to the court. All happened there. And from the geographical and ecological point of view, I explain it.
Sir, Noyal River is originated Coimbatore and ended Tirupur district, Varthapalayam, sir. And in 2000 to 2010 period, the dyeing units discharged illegally the dyeing water, effluent waters into the rivers. So it become pollutes.
Okay, it is a dead river.
Yes, sir.
It is called a dead river. What is meant by dead river?
So dead river is meant by where any species cannot live through it, sir. The BOD and COD is zero, went to zero, sir.
Oh, okay, it's good. Okay, next is there are options in sociology.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Right. What is meant by acculturation? Acculturation.
Sir, I don't know the exact definition, sir, but can I try, sir?
You want to think?
Sir, can I think?
Okay. Acculturation. It's a common term used in
Sir, coping
culture.
with the other culture, sir. When migrants comes to some new places, they cope with the other culture of the native people, sir.
This specific term, acculturation, discuss this with reference to India.
Sir, people in India migrating to other states, migrating to each new places. So, and India is a vast diversity. India is a diversity nation each places have different kind of cultures. So people who come as a migrant need to cope up with a new culture. This process is called acculturation, but I don't mostly see.
Don't enter with the express. Okay, then your signature dish is sambar.
Yes, sambar idli, sir.
Idli sambar. What are the varieties sambar? Notable varieties sambar?
Um,
There are 3 major varieties of sambars.
yes,
Tell me.
sir. One is, sir, you mean based on vegetables, sir?
See, major 3 varieties are which I generally know. If you know more varieties, please tell.
Sir, with the help of different vegetables, we do different variety of sambar, sir.
This Ratna sambar in Madras, Ratna hotel sambar is very famous.
Yes.
Know that. What is that kind of sambar is so famous?
Sir, really?
Uh,
Sir, we normally do different kind of sambar. Like we use drumsticks, we use brinjals, and we use.
It is not variety of sambar. Variety of vegetables.
Okay.
Sambar that ordinary what we cook in our area is thoram or parupu sambar.
Yes, sir.
What these Udupi people do is arachivita sambar.
Yes, sir.
What Tanjavur people do is little bit different. So no, this is variety of sambar. Okay. Then we had been talking about this dishes. Do you know this where you have the largest community kitchen in India? Largest community kitchen in India.
Sir, in Punjab.
Be clear. It is well known. It has been documented by BBC. Be clear
Yes.
on it. Well known, largest public kitchen in the world.
So I gone to it, but I cannot recollect it, sir.
Why India has so much of that mercy towards the public? It has created as a big langar. It's called community kitchen, called langar.
Yes, sir.
It has not happened in some other countries. You are from sociology. India being not a rich country, it has demonstrated to the world that it can provide something free of cost for the people in terms of food. It is happening in India. It is happening nowhere else in the world. Why? How? Okay, no problem. Good. In Tirupur area, one elephant was roaming for 15 days. It is called Sinnathambi.
Yes.
It is called
Sinathan.
Sinnathambi was roaming around. It has created a problem. Why that problem often comes in Tirupur?
Sir, it was actually
Sinnathambi
happened.
elephant.
Yes, sir. It was actually happened in Coimbatore, sir, in Pollachi around areas in forest. This is mainly due to the encroachment of forest corridors, sir.
What is the
Elephant-
technical
elephant-
name we give it as this?
Sir,
What is the technical name given to that encroachment of forest? Technically we call it as different name.
technically,
Half a cup.
sir, protected areas.
Ecologically we no problem. Habitat destruction.
Okay.
Habitat
Destruction.
destruction.
Sugar.
Okay.
Sugar.
Okay, but at least be thorough with this local areas issues, huh?
Actually, in terms of knowledge, I think you have time. When is your interview?
Sir, February 25th, sir.
You have very limited time. You have to brush up your knowledge because a lot of questions you are not able to answer. You are not aware. Then secondly, you should a little bit turn around. Of course, the person who asked, the member who asked the question, you first look at him, but then keep moving your head or eyes towards the other members also, so that they don't feel that you are ignoring them.
Okay.
Also, at times it was noticed that you are closing your eyes. Maybe you sit before a mirror and see how you can improve your presentation. It is very important. Now, on Election Commission of India, when the member asked, we were not able to answer very well. It's a burning issue. There has been some criticism that it is not acting in a partial manner. You can state your views and say that there are serious constraints under which Election Commission has to function. there will always be criticism from a party which uh, which feels that it is not acting in its favor. For example, EVMs. Now, what happens in earlier, at least, of course, we did not see in the recent elections, but earlier, whichever party lost, it would put the blame on the EVMs
Yes, sir.
and ask for ballot box, reversion to ballot box system. And now they are keeping quiet because the results were not necessarily in favor of a particular party. So similarly, the criticism of election commission might be in the same vein. And then you were saying that the other two members of the election commission do not have the same powers as the chief election commissioner. This may not be necessarily correct.
Yes.
See, it's a collective commission which sits and decides on any issue. Of course, they can go by the majority opinion. Then, like that, I don't want to go into all details, but nevertheless, your knowledge I think you have to brush up.
Yes.
You still have time. You must be very well versed in the subjects, then your area where you hail from.
Okay, sir.
That is very, very important because they may ask questions on that.
I think I told you 2 days back.
Yes, sir.
Remember what I said? A few things about you. Don't remember. Okay, no
Sir, you
problem.
are doing
Right, I personally feel that you have been slightly improved in the 2 days since I saw you last. But then you have actually left a lot, you have not faced a lot of deliveries which we bothered you. It is good to actually avoid, but then not taking too many questions. Factual questions we don't know doesn't answer, right? That is simple.
Okay.
But then if there is a balanced fact-based question, not an opinion-based question, and if you do a shoddy job, that will be counted against you.
Yes, sir.
DAF you have to really thoroughly prepare. I think DAF can Michelin for being a cook and not being aware of like a lot of people these days who watch cookery shows, right? Master Chef, அதெல்லாம் பார்ப்பாங்க.
Yes, sir.
Try to have a look at it. Maybe you need not lie about being it, but Michelin star rating and all is very something a very அந்த மாதிரி star rating Indian level என்ன இருக்கு. And this is where something any person with a passion for cooking may not necessarily know, but a question which will certainly come your way. And why does a tire maker have to rate a restaurant? That's a very unique trivia. You can actually and the mari poll questions.
Okay.
So point is read your DAF and prepare anticipate questions. I just asked you to name a mathematician. Okay, a non-Indian mathematician.
Yes.
Could have just taken anybody. These are like in the mari open-ended questions are an opportunity to actually tell the board what kind of a personality you are. In case you are actually missing them and saying no, that's what I said. These are bumper questions.
Yes.
If you are losing them and playing a dot ball, it is sort of it will hurt your prospects.
Yes.
So try to prepare extensively on the subjects. And sir, rightly said update. So when is your personality?
So February 25th, sir.
February 25th. So you have a good 15 days maybe.
Yes.
Right? So you can really need to update contemporary affairs இருக்குல்ல ஒரு 100 questions anticipate questions படிச்சுக்கோங்க.
Okay.
DAF, your optional subject will be full of concepts. So try to prepare a complete list and practice. You sort of stop gap நிறைய you take a break. Your flow of இது வந்து கொஞ்சம் கமாண்ட் வந்து இல்லை. So என்ன simple sentences frame பண்ணி பேசி talk in front of the mirror and just extensively practice. Otherwise, you will do very well, right? You are a very prospective candidate, but then you need to practice
Yes.
and also update yourself with the latest.
திண்டுக்கல் வந்துருக்கீங்க. திண்டுக்கல் ஜலப்பிரகட்டி பிரியாணி ரொம்ப ஃபேமஸ்.
Yes.
ஏன் அவ்வளோ நல்லா இருக்குன்னு உங்களுக்கு கலெக்டர் சார் Do you know that?
Sir.
திண்டுக்கல் தலைப்பாய் கட்டு பிரியாணி ஃபேமஸ் சார், ரொம்ப டேஸ்டாக இருக்கும். ஏன் டேஸ்டாக இருக்குன்னு தெரியுமா? அது எங்கே கொண்டு லிங்க் பண்ணுறது? நேட்டிவ் ஸ்பீசிஸ் ஆத்தூர் கிச்சடி சம்பா இருக்குல்ல, குதிரவாளி சம்பா, அந்த அரிசினால தான் அவ்வளோ டேஸ்டாக இருக்குது. பேசிக் திங்ஸ் தெரிஞ்சுக்க நீங்கள் குக்கரிங் போடுறதுனால பேசிக் நிறையா இருக்குது. திண்டுக்கல், பழனி, திருப்பூர் வந்து பேசிக் தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டு.
One thing, many local state-specific issues might not necessarily be asked in the UPSC interview, like a TNPSC interview. But then you never know.
Yes.
right? That sir or he lots of local questions. You never know. You might have actually a Tamil person who is sitting in the panel. So be prepared.
So one more thing. You claim to be head of the disaster management.
Yes, sir.
So disaster management has a cycle and a continuum, right? When you are head, you know 1, 2, 3 steps. So
What's
you
happening
try-
here?
You try to answer 1, 2, 3 steps, and more importantly, take a 50 paper booklet, small book, and write out all the 100 or 150 questions whichever are expected out of your tab for institutions or the social sector or whatever it is. You expect these are the burning issues. Mani, even if you don't answer the factual questions, but if you don't answer role playing questions and opinion based questions where judgment is needed, so that will create a lots of problems. So you are doing well. So sit down calmly, spend time with yourself, open your DAF, write down all the expected questions. That gives you a good confidence to answer in a continuous without leaving a gap.
I wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir.
You have short time.
Yes.
Kindly do your best.
Thank you.
Make all best use of this level time. And as was indicated, put some questions and write down the answer. Then practice sitting before a mirror and answer.
More importantly, spend the time with yourself. That is very important.
Disaster management, rescue is the first step. And after that, relief and rehabilitation take over. So that's a long process.
Last you quoted in the interview, remember? Disaster management. And you said Coimbatore is prone to earthquakes.
Yes, sir. I
Read a lot about it.
Yes. Sir, actually, it was in zone 2.
No, it's okay. This is. There are more common ones, right?
Yes, sir.
All the best.
Thank you, sir.